the best places are often off the map, and we don't deny it at all. Discovered by tourists over the years, Nandi Hill in Karnataka is the perfect testimony to this and has become a famous holiday spot now. Though surrounded with breathtaking views, spectacular attractions, and amazing experiences, this place is still a tiny hidden gem located in the south. Reasons for visiting Nandi Hills. Ideal for both a quick gateway and a long refreshing escape. Nandi is an absolute paradise to be in, but if you are still wondering if you should visit it or not, then watch this video and take a look at everything from why you must visit the best places to see, because you surely wouldn't want to regret later. This place is drop dead gorgeous. It is just a road trip away from Bangalore. It is home to the site from where Tipu Sultan used to get his prisoners pushed off. All the prominent dignitaries like Queen Elizabeth II, Mahatma Gandhi, and more have enjoyed a stay here. You can visit this place at any time of the year. Every view is worth 1,000 Instagram likes. Best time to visit Nandi Hills. One of the best thing about this place is that it can be visited at any time of the year. All you have got to do is pick a date and pack your bags. However, if you are looking for the ideal weather, then plan your trip between October to May. Since the temperature during this time ranges from 10 to 40 degrees Celsius, the remaining months, which are June to September, often receive moderate rainfall, which keep the hills drenched throughout the time. Therefore, whenever you are planning to pack your bag for an exciting trip, you can consider the places to visit in South India, and if you are fond of traveling to hill stations, then there is no other choice than choosing Nandi Hills. How to reach Nandi Hills? Being a small hill station in Karnataka, this place can be reached by all modes, that is by air, train and road. If you are wondering how to reach Nandi Hills from Bangalore, well, the nearest airport is Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore, from where you can hire a cab or taxi. If you wish to experience the train journey, then the nearest station where you can deboard is the Chikbalapur, from where both buses and taxis are available. But if you are looking for a short road trip, you can cover the distance of 60 km between Bangalore and Nandi by driving yourself. The hill station has both auto rickshaws and taxi, which you can use for commuting within the city. However, the best way to witness its beauty in all its glory is to explore it on foot. If you are coming by car from Bangalore to Nandi Hills, then you don't need to worry, since you can go about in your private vehicle. Places to explore. Number 1. Tipu's Drop. Located on a hilltop on a cliff which is 600 meters above the elevated ground, Tipu's Drop is one of the oldest and most famous tourist attraction in Nandi. While this place is known for being the cliff from where the prisoners were pushed off, it also offers a spellbinding view of the town. It is the best Nandi Hill viewpoint for grazing at splendid views of the town below. Number 2. Bhoganandeshwara Temple. Also known as Nandi Temple, this place, which dates back to the 9th century, is one of the oldest temples in Karnataka. Its beautiful complex set up at the base of hills boasts a spellbinding architecture, which makes a visit to this place worth a dime and your time. Number 3. Tipu's Summer Residence. Another popular place to see in Nandi is Tipu's Summer Residence, which he also used to refer as Tashke Jannat. It is made mainly of wood and built carved arcs and pillars, along with beautiful painted walls and ceilings. This place is definitely a must-see on your trip. Number 4. Brahmashram. The cave was used by sage Ramakrishna Paramahans for meditation and now has become a popular tourist attraction. If you are more of a peace seeker, then this place near Nandi Hills in Bangalore is the perfect spot to visit for regenerating your mind, body and soul. Number 5. Amrita Sarovar. The Amrita Sarovar is a major source of water supply near the Nandi region. This perennial spring had formed what is known today as the Lake of Nectar, a stunning spectacle that you can't miss out on your Nandi Hill trip in Karnataka. The shimmering waters of this pristine lake are a must visit after sundown when the moon and stars light it up. Number 6. Muddenahalli. Muddenahalli happens to be a tiny village located just 7 kilometers from the Chikbalapur district in Karnataka. The village houses a memorial dedicated to M. Vishveshwaraya, a famous artist of Mysore. It also has a very popular museum that has a wide collection of writings, paintings, and photographs of him on display. You can also find the ancestral home of M. Vishveshwaraya right next to the museum. Things to do in Nandi Hills. If you think all that this place has are tourist attractions, you are mistaken. There is a lot of adventure that awaits you here. Number 1. Cycling. Be it biking or cycling, the spectacular landscape, terrific terrain, and the majestic altitude makes it a top thing to do in the hill. It would surely turn out to be the most soul-satisfying experience of your trip. Number 2. Take a walk along the hills. While there is so much to see and do in Nandi, the best experience to have is to take a stroll on the walkway along the hills in the morning or evening. You'd not only get to witness calm of the town, but also capture the beauty of nature with your eyes at its best. Number 3. Paragliding. Being among the few places in the state, Nandi offers an extraordinary flying experience to travelers of all kinds. Paragliding the lush green hills and serene valleys, you had definitely have the time of your life. Just make sure you have checked the weather beforehand and scheduled your flight accordingly. Top 3 hotels in Nandi Hill near Bangalore. Nandi Hills has some amazing and super cheap accommodation options to ensure you have a comfortable stay and a relaxing holiday. Number 1. Nandi Hills Resort. Surrounded with natural beauty in all its glory, this place is one of the best Nandi Hills hotel that offers a true experiential stay. Luxury, comfort, and hospitality aren't just words for them to impress their guests, rather attributes that are quite visible in their services. Number 2. Nehru Nilaya. Absolute ideal for a budget stay in Nandi Hills. Accommodation at this place is offered by the horticulture department as per the guest needs. Number 3. Mount Palazzo. If you are looking for a good hotels near Nandi Hills, then Mount Palazzo is the perfect place to stay. Nestled amidst picturesque hill, this hotel offers the best of hospitality, comfort for making your holiday memorable. From indulging in various indoor games to savoring their chef's delectable cuisines, there's a lot at this place that would pamper you. Tips for visiting Nandi Hills. While you can visit this hill station at any time of the year, it is best to avoid a holiday during the monsoon. If you come across monkey or stray dogs, avoid feeding them anything. Make sure the windows and doors of your car are shut at all the times. Since this place has very limited food options, prefer carrying your own packed food. Try and get back to your hotels by 6 p.m. since it gets dark quite early. If you are traveling along with your family, keep a watch at your kids as most of the roads have very steep edges. Don't forget to carry your camera as there are a lot of picture places in Nandi Hills. If you are driving to Nandi through your own car, prefer parking it at the parking and walk all the way up to the hills as it is more convenient and time saving. If possible, try and wake up early so that you can witness the beautiful Nandi Hills sunrise. Nandi is a gorgeous place near Bangalore, and needless to say it is worth travelling to all the way for a refreshing holiday experience. So don't think further and get ready to head out on the road not taken. Book your trip to Karnataka right away and experience sheer blissful nature. Thanks for watching.